Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini frittata. Start by grating or thinly slicing 2 medium zucchinis and salting them to draw out moisture. Squeeze excess liquid, then sauté with 1 small onion until softened. Whisk 6 eggs with 1/3 cup milk, salt and pepper, stir in cheese and herbs, combine with cooled vegetables, and finish in an oven-proof skillet until set and golden. Serve warm or treat the zucchini like spinach and remove excess water to avoid a soggy frittata. Use 6 eggs for a 9-inch skillet so the texture is creamy but set, and fold in 1/2 cup cheese for flavor. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and start on the stovetop to brown the edges before baking. Let the frittata rest 5 minutes after baking to finish setting and make slicing easier. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in an oven-proof skillet and sautéing 1 small diced onion until translucent. Add the prepared zucchini and cook until most moisture is evaporated and vegetables are tender. Whisk 6 eggs with 1/3 cup milk, 1/2 cup cheese, salt, and pepper, then fold in the cooled vegetables. Cook briefly on the stovetop until edges set, transfer to the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and let rest before slicing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.